What's up, everybody? Elgato has introduced a couple of new mic arms called the Wave Mic Arm and the Wave Mic Arm LP. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the Wave Mic Arm LP. See what we got. Got my knife. See what we got here. Just got this box the other day. Get this out of the way. This thing is really sharp. We'll get it out of the way. Let's see what's in the box, guys. Packing out. Just put that to the side. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah. This is it. Get this box out of the way. Yeah. This is from Elgato. It is the Wave Mic Arm LP, which I think they say stands for LP, but let's get this open and see what it looks like. Been waiting for this for a long time. It's been on back order for a long time, so I've been waiting for this. Must be a really popular mic arm, so it's been out of stock for a while, and I just got it in the other day. So we're going to open it up. Unbox this guy. Got some instructions here. Okay. Yeah, this is it. This is it, the Wave Mic Arm LP from Elgato. It looks very simple, guys. Very strong, very sturdy. Yeah. Just a really sturdy mic arm. Let's see what else we got. Move that out of the way here real quick. And this is the desk clamp that comes along with it. Just looks like you just get this screwed down here. Yeah. Yep. Got something else in the box. See what we got. Got an Allen wrench. Got a couple of thread screws here. Got another screw here. So we'll set this up on this desk and kind of see what it looks like. Move this box out of the way, guys. Looks like it's just really, really simple to put this thing together. We'll get this screwed on. And it just looks like this just really sits down in, well, I guess it comes apart too, but it just really sits down in the clamp that screws on to the desk. So we'll get it put together. Get the other part put back in. Yeah, and it's really tight, guys. I guess that's why they gave you this Allen wrench to kind of loosen this up a little bit. Yeah, see, there we go. Tighten it up just a little more. And that's it. I mean, it is really simple to set up. Not much to it. I guess I need to tighten it. Let me see if I can tighten it up just a little bit more here. Yeah, there we go. I'm going to see if I can put a mic on this. Not sure. Let's see how we can. Let's see. Let's try it this way. This here is just a Rode Mini NT USB mini mic. So I am going to put that on this boom arm and we are going to see what this looks like. Let's do this. Let's do this, guys. Let's see here. Put this back on. And we'll see what this looks like with the mic on it. Oh yeah, there we go. Let's see, let's tighten this up a little bit. This mic might be just a little heavy for this. Well, if you tighten it up just a little bit, it might hold it. But this mic, this is a really heavy mic, so you just have to tighten it up with the Allen wrench a little bit. But still, I mean, this is really good. It's, you know, got a really fluid ball joint here where it's really adjustable in any direction. You can tighten it up here, and then as you lift it up, I mean, this is a pretty good mic arm. It's the Wave Mic Arm LP Low Profile. So it also has these cable channels where you can put your XLR cables or your USB cables that go into your microphone. So it hides your cables. So that's pretty neat, pretty slick. Yeah, like that. They're magnetic. Yeah, I like the way this looks. It's a really sturdy mic arm. It looks really good. The adjustments, really, really good. You can raise it up, move it around, raise it back down. So it does hold the mic pretty good once you tighten it up with the Allen wrench. As I said, it adjusts the ball head joint here adjusts really well. I like that. Tightens up really well. I can put it up to my mouth really well and it holds. So that's pretty good, guys. And this Elgato mic arm goes for about $99, and you can get this from Elgato. Like I said, they released two of these. One is just the regular Wave mic arm. This one is the Wave mic arm LP, which I think they said stands for low profile. But I'm going to set this up and see what it looks like at my workstation. So we'll be right back, guys. What's up, guys? I'm here at my workstation. I've got the Wave mic arm LP set up to the end of my desk. I was not able to put it right here in the middle of the desk because my monitors are not set up high enough to set it underneath the mic arm. That's why they call it LP, low profile. But I've got it set up. I put it at the end of my desk here, and I just wanted you all to see what it looks like when it's connected here at the workstation on my desk. It still looks really good, still feels really good. I can adjust it any kind of way I want here. To put my microphone, put it to the side, put it up here, get it a little closer. So it works really well. It's really sturdy, looks good. I like the way it looks. It feels really like a real quality mic arm. I think it's a good buy for $99. I like it. It looks really good. Of course, as I said, you've got the cable management where you can put your XLR cables or your USB cables. Keep them hidden away. But overall, looks really good, and I really like this arm. It's from Elgato. Again, it runs about 99 bucks. Took me a while to get it, but I finally got it. So here it is, guys, and I really like it, and I think that it is going to work out really well. So thanks for hanging out with me. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.